Hi, Dawn Payne here from the Payne Team Real Estate. Thanks for joining me. This week we're going to be featuring some of the most amazing waterfalls here in the Delaware River Valley. Stay tuned, come along with me. Some of them have the most amazing hikes. I'm so excited to be doing this week. We're here at Ledges, Hawley, Pennsylvania. This week we're featuring waterfalls, and as you can see how beautiful this waterfall is. We're actually going to have dinner here tonight where they have fantastic tapas. Come and join us. If you haven't put this on your list, put it on it now. You will not be disappointed. Here's another waterfall we're at, the most amazing waterfall, as you can see, just off the scenic byway, off of Route 97, located not far from the Barryville area. Come join us, come stay with us. We're going to show you some more fantastic waterfalls. If you're looking for something to do up here with the family, great hiking, you can hike this all the way to the Rio Dam, which all spills into the Delaware River. Great time to come up here, especially this time of the year with everything blossoming right now. We got beautiful rhododendrons blossoming. You will not be disappointed. Incredible what you'll find while hiking. I just found this chaga, which is known to cure cancer, and it's an antioxidant. It's incredible what you find here in the woods while hiking. We're here at the Raymond Skills Waterfall, only 10 minutes to Milford PA, 15 minutes tops to Barryville, New York. If you have not been here, put it on your list. Milford is the cutest little town. It has sidewalks, it has shops, and it has awesome restaurants. Look at this fall. It is so beautiful. This is unbelievable. Please make sure you put it on your list to come see. Look at this really cool cave. If you want to get out of the heat, step inside.